Welcome to our comparison of the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus Kit and the Hohem iSteady M7 Gimbal Stabilizers. Today, we will dive deep into the features, pricing, and overall performance of these two popular gimbals. Whether you're a casual videographer or a professional content creator, understanding the differences between these two products will help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. When it comes to pricing, the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus Kit is priced at $129, making it an affordable option for those looking to enhance their videography without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the Hohem iSteady M7 comes with a higher price tag of $299, reflecting its advanced features and professional-grade capabilities. This price difference is a significant factor for users to consider based on their budget and needs. In terms of features, the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus Kit offers essential functionalities such as a magnetic fill light and ultra-wide-angle mode, making it versatile for various shooting scenarios. However, the iSteady M7 stands out with advanced features like AI tracking, a detachable touchscreen remote, and a built-in extension pole, providing superior control and creative options for professional videographers. This makes the M7 a more robust choice for those who require advanced capabilities. When considering portability, the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus Kit is lighter at 1.04 pounds, making it easy to carry around for on-the-go shooting. In contrast, the iSteady M7 weighs 1.379 kilograms, which, while still manageable, may be less convenient for users who prioritize lightweight gear. Therefore, if portability is a key factor for you, the Mobile Plus Kit might be the better option. In conclusion, both the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus Kit and the Hohem iSteady M7 Gimbal Stabilizers offer excellent stabilization for smartphone videography. The choice ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. If you're looking for an affordable, lightweight option with essential features, the Mobile Plus Kit is a great choice. However, for those who need advanced functionalities and are willing to invest more, the iSteady M7 is the way to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.